In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can clear all downloaded songs on your Spotify account. You can simply remove downloads on Spotify in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Spotify app. On this page, tap on your profile icon, then select the option of Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, scroll down onto the option of Storage. You will have to remove all downloads by just clicking on this button right here. To free up some space for storage, just tap right here on Clear Cache. That's how easy it is to remove all downloads on your Spotify account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.